Hola, y ara al lloc més bonic d'Eslovènia.
Al castell. La torre i el rellotge.
Everything's gone and I know it.
Les places maques. Les estàtues d'Aragó.
Don't you worry, I understand. I will pretend that I'm happy.
Per dormir l'Hostal Celica, antiga presó jugoslava.
Then you won't come back again, but tell me that was real. Yes, I know just how you feel
Paret de murals i
right now
pintura.
about me. But all my walls.
Una ciutat de fantasia.
Bona per bicicleta. També per la canoa i fer senderisme.
I don't care, and it hurts deep inside. Am I wasting my time?
Patrimoni de la UNESCO. Moltes coves. I ratpenat.
Tell me where I can hide from you, and what I'm gonna do. How can I breathe if you're not here? Knowing for sure the solution.
A la vora del mar Adriàtic. Carrers bonics i aire mediterrani. Molt bon per esquiar, però no tan famós.
Not enough to carry on. Smoking is my own pollution. In my eyes, the light is gone. But the light to me one more time, just an sign.
Castell de 700 anys. 123 de metre d'alçada. És molt medieval.
Mind for a moment.
Parc Nacional del Sal. Bo per esport d'aventura. Parapent. Rafting. Senderisme. Cavall i pesca.
It's a mess and I don't care.